In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft bookings, multiple staff bookings, and integrations. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add multiple team members to a shared booking page, set their availability, and make sure everyone gets the right notifications, all while taking advantage of bookings' built-in integrations with Microsoft 365. Start by opening the bookings homepage within your Microsoft 365 account. You can access it from Outlook on the web by selecting bookings. This is your command center for managing services, staff, and the customer-facing booking experience. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to manage your organization's booking pages. Next, choose the shared booking page you want to manage. Many organizations have more than one page, like one for customer support and another for consulting. Pick the page your customers or internal users will use, since that's where staff availability and assignments will take effect. Once the page is open, head to the staff area in the left navigation. This is where you'll see everyone already connected to the page, their roles, and whether they're available for bookings. Think of this list as the roster that bookings uses to route appointments based on availability. Add a new person by selecting Add New Staff and entering their work email address. Bookings will attempt to match them to your organization's directory so it can sync free busy times from Outlook. Using the correct organizational email ensures calendar integration works, prevents double booking, and allows invitations and reminders to flow to the right inbox. After adding them, set their availability and roll. You can keep it simple by using your business hours, or switch to custom hours if the person works part-time, across time zones, or on specific days. Roles determine what they can do. For example, an administrator can configure the booking page, while a team member can be assigned to services and receive bookings. Choose the least privileged role that still lets them do their job. Availability here works alongside their Outlook calendar, so any personal conflicts or existing meetings will be respected automatically. Finally, check the option to notify staff by email when a booking is created or changed if they need alerts. This is great for immediate visibility, though some teams prefer fewer emails and rely on calendar invites instead. Even if you keep notifications off, Booking still syncs appointments to assigned staff calendars. That's it. You've connected multiple staff to a shared booking page, aligned their schedules, and ensured they're informed, all powered by Booking's integration with Outlook and when enabled on your service's online meeting links.